Hello guys, Namaste and warm welcome from Sushi and Santosh. Today I'm gonna show you how to fillet a Seabass for sushi and sashimi. Let's go. So first of all, I want to say some things, for my sushi lover family. How to know the fish is really fresh or not. First of all, you can see the eye. If the eye is very shiny and clear, the fish is fresh. And second thing is you can see the gills. The gills, if the gills is very ready and bloody, it is also very fresh. And another things and easy things is you can see the wings of the fish. If the wings is very fresh, very clean, it is the fresh. Otherwise, the fish is not fresh. So you will know how to choose fresh fish from the supermarket. First of all, I will clean the belly part. Then after, I will fillet the fish. Now I will take the belly part. So I will put knife here. You can see here a small hole. So it will be easy to find out where to put knife. Yes. Now I will cut till here, till gills. Yeah. Now start to fillet. That fine is the central point of between upper side fillet and the lower side fillet. So we have to be careful. Now I will pass my knife through these middle lines. Let's see, okay. Be careful, just cut a little bit skins. Don't mash too much meat of the inside. And it can be a sleepy due to the scales, so it will be easy if you clean the scales before to fillet, okay? Look, nice, it's going good. Now I'll use just that tip to finalize these ones. Yes, you will hear the sounds of the bones. I cut a little bit here till you can see here is the line till here, that is the middle bones. Now I'll cut this side, that is the belly side. Let's cut this ones, okay? Yes, you can see here the process is the same. Just cut little bit the skins and use your knife tip. Yes. Now I'll do the same process for the another fillet. I'll cut a little bit of skins because it is sleepy because of the scales. Yes. When you are filleting the fish, love this fillet, okay? Don't mash too much. And another thing is always make your knife tip like this. Don't make like this. If you make like this, the knife will destroy the meat of the fillet. Now I'll do the same process for the belly side also. That fine is the central point of two fillets. So I'll cut upper side from the upper side. Yeah, there is the middle spine, so we have to be careful. Now I'll pass my knife very carefully from here. Now you can see here I already fillet here, so I'll pass my knife from here. Yes, that is the very beautiful fillet. I took the first fillet. Now I'm gonna take out the second fillet, okay? I already fillet here. Now I'll cut this belly part. I'll take knife here from here. I'll pass from this side. When you are passing the knife, be careful. Don't do like this. Always do the straight, otherwise the knife will destroy the fillet fish. Yes, I got the another fillet. I have here the Seabass fillet. As you can see here, I have the two fillet and here is the bones. Now I'll clean the bones. Yeah. As much as you cut little meat from this side. Now I'll clean this bones of the belly bones. As much as you can take less meat from this side, okay? Okay, I finally filleted the Seabass. I have here two fillet and I clean the belly bones also as you can see in this video. I filleted the Seabass as you can see here. I have here two very clean and beautiful fillet and I clean the belly bones also. Now we have here the middle spines, here the pin bones. If you want to use this on sushi, if you're going to make a sushi for the nigiri and the sashimi, you have to do a little bit more extra work. Here it is very not visible. You can hear the bones sounds. So we have to take out all the bones and we have to take out the skins from the fillet. Okay, let's go. Now I'll do the same process for the another fillet as well. I'm using the tweezer to take the pin bones. Okay, here you have to be careful. Yes. Yeah. I already took the fin bones also. Now I'm gonna take out the skins. To take out the skins, I'm gonna use the Yanajiba knife. It will be very easy. This is the Tokyo brand. It is not a very expensive sushi knife. So I'm gonna use this to take out the skins. Okay, let's go, yeah. To take the skins, we don't have the scale. So if you have the very sharp knife, it's gonna cut. So you have to be careful when you're going to take out the skins. I'll cut here a little bit so it will be easy to secure. And now I'll pass my knife in between the skins and the meat very carefully. Yes, that is, I take out the skins from the fillet. Now I'm gonna do the same process for the another fillet. Yes, that is the very good. As you can see here, that is our final fillet for the sushi and sashimi from the Seabass. How to use this fillet for the nigiri and how to cut the neta from this fillet and how to make the sashimi, I will make next video. Stay tuned. Please don't forget to subscribe for more videos about the sushi. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.